Okay, first one of the day, new client with his Ducati Multistrada 950S. Doesn't look like she has been cleaned in some time. He's never had one of his bikes done with me, so he thought he would treat this to a bit of trot love. I said we're going to do one of our legendary full Monty Valets on this, so we're going to get it all cleaned up, get a nice dose of corrosion protection on it. It's been stored up for a while, so got a little corrosion setting in. We'll get all that chain all degreased, all cleaned up, re-lubed, all the usual bits and pieces. I am going to do a little machine polishing on this, which isn't normally included in the full Monty Valet. I've got some ingrained bugs on there, so we'll do a little machine polishing, get a nice bit of depth back to that paint, get that windscreen all cleaned up, just give it a whole dose of Trot TLC. Got a bit of corrosion setting in a few places, nothing that we can't sort out, so let's get it washed. We'll get it snow foam on it, decontaminated, debugged, degreased, and then it's going in the studio for a whole heap of detailing. Watch this space. There you go, another Trot full Monty in the books. This Ducati Multistrada has been fully trotted. Every nook and cranny of this bike has been attended to. All your front of your exhaust has all been minted up. All the motor, center stand, side stand has been painted. All the back, everything has been attended to. All the chains been degreased, re-lubed back up. All your exhaust has been polished the best we can. It was a bit of a bad way, that exhaust, but looking a lot better now. I said everything's been misted with XCP. We've done a single stage polish on that tank, got a nice bit of gloss back to it, and we polished up that windscreen, just fitted it back, all done. 2.5 hours. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.